Hey folks, welcome to the video. And this video we are going to cover a platform which is built by the developers, the amazing teachers, the tech community, and the platform called Scrimba. This platform, which I personally suggest people to learn code because most of the people learn from here, from the non-tech background to become a software engineer and break down in the development field as a software developer or the backend developer. A lot of things that you can learn, and this is the Scrimba Discord community which you can join. I already joined, so there are a lot of things that happening here. So you can get, like, you can connect to the people all over the globe. You can make with them projects, share ideas. There's a lot of things that you can do with the Discord server. So these are the things, and there are two things. There are two different models of these platform. One is absolutely free, that's free courses which they provide, and so another is a pro courses, that a subscription model that they have. But if you are a student, if you are a developer and you can't be afford maybe uh, some content or these courses, so you can definitely apply for the scholarship. They are providing a scholarship for the student and developers. They can't afford that particular account, and people can definitely get benefited. So how, like, you can apply from here? There are 6 questions in that form, and they ask for the LinkedIn profile, GitHub profile, email ID, that things, and the last you have to explain why you need that account and how you can get benefit from that. So you have to write the 6 to 7 lines, and the basic thing that you have to explore. They have to explain them why you are the uh, right candidate to get that scholarship. So these are the things which explore the community, which is Discord, community handbook. You can all the community code of conduct rules, podcast, YouTube, and blog. Uh, Podcast are amazing, which I recently listened. This one, so you can definitely go with that. YouTube content is amazing. You can also check this out, blogs, and the we are going to explore the free courses. Paid courses are well structured and well explained, but the free courses which I currently enrolled and currently learning from that, the JavaScript courses, the there are a particular tag you can go with that. I choose the JavaScript. So these are the HTML CSS. So, like, uh, uh, this I currently enrolled in that course, which is the, like, it's a complete project based learning. So first thing, you're going to learn the build up passenger counter app, then all the uh, blackjack game and all the things. Like, you're going to every concept, the step by step, and the different modules and the different sections are available here. So that's how it's all work, and that's why I suggest people to go with that free content, and you will get definitely benefit. If you are a student, definitely you can apply for the scholarship, or if you are someone who can't afford that particular pro account or subscription model, so you can definitely apply that scholarship, and you have to explain why you are the right candidate for them to get that scholarship. So that's how it's all works. And if you want to person or want to share back to the community or any experienced people, so you can apply for the teacher talent program as well to